What is up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And to finish off 2020 in style, Tarmac is coming up with a new set of releases and they have already announced them on their Facebook page. So what we are looking at first is their next RWB release, which is coming on the end of December. This specific model is to be released at the Dust Treffen 5 event in Thailand. So talking about this specific model, this is the RWB 164 scale, the RWB 964, and Dust Treffen was held on 20th December 2020, and it was held in Thailand, and they released this specific model there with the event, and a lot of people were there in line to pick up this new model. And also Tarmac announced that they will have this in their web store on mid-Jan. Moving on to the next, what we have in line is an amazing collaboration coming up by Tarmac with the collaboration of Mini Champs. So this is also going to be in 164 scale, and pre-orders will be starting up soon, and this was announced in 18th December. And specialty about this is going to be a limited edition, which is only 1005 pieces worldwide available, and hope you guys are in queue to grab this model very soon. So talking in depth about these models, in line first we have the Jan release of the Tarmac and Mini Champs collaboration, which is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This is limited to 1005 pieces worldwide. And then we have the Lemmas Porsche 934. So this is also a collaboration between Tarmac and Mini Champs. This is coming in blue and white livery, and which is to be released on April 2021. And also we have another 164 scale Porsche 934 from the 24-hour Daytona 1977 championship, and this is also set to be released in April 2021. Next in line we have another sneak peek at a new model which is coming up by Tarmac, and this is set to be released in 2021. This is the Hobby 64 Toyota Supra MA70, and this is to be released in 3 variations, which is the racing variation, the police variation, and also the pace car variation. So 3 variations from the same model, same scale, and hope it to be an amazing model coming up, and let's see if we can get all 3 models in our channel. Tarmac is also releasing another Toyota model, the Toyota Altezza with the RSR livery, and this is actually from the Macau Goa race in 2001, and this actually dropped into their web store on 17th December. So it is still available for you guys to order, and I'll be putting down the link below so you guys can check it out. Tarmac has also announced about the very first Porsche 911 GT3R, the 2019 model, and this is a collaboration with the IXO models, and it is set to be released in 2021. And talking about the body kit and the livery, this is the first time Tarmac is coming up with this type of a body, and still they haven't actually given up a date on the release, but we hope that it will come at least by the mid of this year. And still they haven't released any news about the livery which is they are gonna coming up with, so hopefully it's gonna be an amazing model. And Tarmac just dropped in their most iconic series of models, which is the Koenigsegg Agera RS in white and blue livery. So they actually came up with the Pagani for their membership card, and also they've been coming up with a new set of Agera RS. So this is another release for 2020 to end up with, and this is actually available in the web store. You guys can purchase it right now. And this is all that we have for today, and hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news as we bring in all the new releases and all the new updates to you at first. And also hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys soon on the next video. Thank you for joining in with us.